website does warn customers they will be charged if the item is not collected within 24 hours, but there's no reference to actually dipping into the purse or wallet and taking the percentage directly out. The company says they are now reviewing their policies. We will hear from them shortly. But Greater Anglia are not the only rail operator who do this. Last month, after a backlash online, Arriva Train Wales announced it would stop its policy of taking 10% of cash from customers' lost belongings. So are you disgusted to hear about this practice of taking money from a purse before you return it? Has it happened to you? Or are you somebody who thinks, no, it's fair enough, if people want their stuff back, why shouldn't they pay for the infrastructure required to collect and store and label the valuables and keep them safe? 08000 email fine@bbc.co.uk. Let's speak to Florence herself. Hi, Florence.
Hi there.
So Florence is from Woodbridge, and you lost the purse. That was how it started.
Yeah, so I lost the purse a week on Tuesday, and then when I went to pick it up from Norwich, they returned the purse to me and told me that they removed 10% of the money from my purse when they gave it back to me.
And you had £15.
I believe it is, that's the one.
Yeah, so